na ba?
Okay na, fantasy.
Ikaw naman.
Oh no, this is too dark for me. Huwag niyo pong itapon because it's gonna be part of your foundation wardrobe.
Yung nawawala na yung redness.
We have to set it para tumagal siya, para hindi siya mag-freeze. Hi Gold, how are you?
I'm good. Ang showbiz nung I'm good. Ayos naman, kinakabahan ako actually.
Bakit?
Parang feeling ko this is something na outside my comfort zone.
As it should be.
Ah,
As it should be.
yes.
Dapat talaga out of your comfort zone. Anyway, so mula sa ating pre-prod meeting. Pre-prod meeting, pero kanina lang. Ang mga concern mo ay number 1, redness and acne. Number 2, foundation matching. And number 3 is skin texture. So we're gonna focus first sa redness and acne.
Okay.
Kasi nakapagkwento naman tayo, di ba? Nasabi mo nga na parang you think that your skin is really red. Parang concern mo rin yung acne. Pero ang concern ko, ang nakita ko, nasaan? Wala namang acne. Wala ka ng acne. Literally, wala ka ng acne. Nag-ano ka?
Thank you so much.
Isotret ka ba?
Hindi, wala na nga akong skincare.
Ha?
Ano na lang, sunscreen na lang. Parang na-trauma na ako sa mga nilalagay ko sa mukha. So parang, sige, wag na lang.
So,
facial wash, sunscreen, and then para lang sa oiliness, yung translucent powder na lang ginagamit.
So, wala ka nang ginagamit na anything?
Pag may mga event na lang or speaking engagement, doon ako
Makeup.
concealer, ganyan,
Oo.
makeup.
Pero yung skincare mo na nightly, wala
na.
Trauma?
Parang na-trauma na ako sa paglalagay sa mukha. So parang, wag na lang. Parang
Talaga?
Mm-mm.
Kasi lumalala?
Yeah. Actually, parang last year lang nag-spend pa nga ako ng 120K.
Oh no.
Nag-RFM ako.
Ano yun?
Yung radio frequency...
Microneedling.
Microneedling.
Yeah.
Tapos, after that, parang, I don't know, mas nagbalat, lalo lumala. Siguro dahil kasalanan ko rin kasi lagi akong outdoor.
After the microneedling,
Oo.
nag-outdoor.
Oo.
Ay, kasalanan mo nga.
Kasalanan
Char!
ko talaga.
Hindi, okay lang. Pero kasi naman, yung skincare natin, makeup, it should fit our lifestyle.
Yes.
Hindi siya the other way around. Well, unless talagang palong-palo ka magpaganda, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Pero, alam ko naman na priority mo is, lifestyle, mag-outdoor, ganyan. Kasi
Mag-hike.
paganda. First concern mo, redness and acne. If concern mo yung redness and acne, first of all, yung redness, pwede tayong mag-green corrector. Kaya lang, for me hindi na to red. For you, feel mo like red na red yung face mo.
Feeling ko may mga redness, mga spot lang.
So, when you say that, as in ito ba yung mga nakikita mong redness?
Ayan, yan. Ito.
Yes.
Minsan nai-irritate din kasi kapag nag-shave.
So for me, yung ganitong type of redness, hindi pa siya considered na redness na kailangan mo talagang i-corrector. As in, kayang-kaya to ng foundation, which you will see later. Even with the skin tint, this can be solved. And TBH yung uso ngayon. We still want some of the skin to be seen. Tapos, part of it being skin, may redness talaga. May natural redness yung skin natin. So for me, baka kinalakihan mo na to na parang, parating red yung face ko.
Naging
Do you feel-
identity ko na yung redness.
Naging identity mo na yung
Oo.
redness.
Okay.
As for your acne, wala naman na. May marks.
May mga marks.
Pero
Oo.
TBH, ang gusto ko sa skin mo ngayon is madali na lang siyang i-cover kasi wala nang umbok. As in, kapag nilagyan natin ng foundation, as in, it will treat the color and lahat na masasama na siya.
Even out na siya.
Even out na siya kasi wala naman ang nakaumbok. So, happy for your skin journey.
Thank you, Nate.
Diba? So, next na concern mo, as I said, your makeup routine, your skincare routine should fit and conform to your lifestyle and not the other way around. Ang lifestyle ni Gold, kung makikita niyo yung mga IG reel niya, parati po siyang outdoor.
Yes.
Hiking, mostly. Sometimes beach, di
Yeah.
ba? So, parati kang outdoor. Ang naging concern mo is, bumibili ka ng foundation, you have your base products, you have your concealer. Pero pagbalik mo ng syudad, hindi na siya match. So,
Grayish na yung mukha ko pag in-apply ko ulit yung foundation.
yes, kasi nag-warm up na yung skin tone mo, di ba? So, hindi na match talaga yung mga binili mo. Actually, ang daming may concern yan. Parang, ayokong umitim, hindi na magmamatch yung foundation ko. That's a real concern ng mga beauty enthusiasts. So, ano bang pwede natin gawin? There is this thing that we call foundation wardrobing. Tara!
Uy.
So, wardrobing, ibig sabihin, you have a lot of foundation. Hindi naman a lot. Siguro kung normal person ka na, maybe you have 2 or 3 shades na pwede mong ipang-mix sa normal shade mo. So, for example, kung ito yung natural na shade ni Gold, like ito yung pinaka-close sa skin tone niya. Kapag nag-deepen yung skin tone niya, nag-tan siya, galing siya ng beach, ganyan, pwede niyang haluan nito and then
Darker
magmamatch.
shade.
Darker shade, yeah. This is the
Okay.
darker shade. Or pwede ring lighter. Pero
Puti
hindi
ka.
naman masyadong nagla-lighten.
Mas less yung chance na
Nagugulutan ka ba?
Hindi.
Di ba? So, hindi naman tayo magla-lighter. So,
Okay.
usually, yun naman ang concern. Pag nag-hiking or beach, pwede mo siyang haluan ng darker shade of foundation. In this way, hindi masasayang yung binili mo, di ba? The other benefit of having a darker shade of foundation is kapag gusto mong mag-contour, pwede mo siyang ilagay lang sa perimeter of your face as like a base na rin before your contour para hindi siya super wow, pak na one-dimensional yung face mo na punong-puno ng foundation. If you have a normal foundation shade, pwede kang bumili ng 2 or 3 shades darker and then you can just mix a little bit of that darker shade into your regular foundation shade. And then, match na siya always. Tapos, babawasan mo na lang yung pag-mix mo ng dark. Depende kung nagle-lighten na ulit yung skin mo para naman hindi masayang yung binibili mong foundation. And sometimes kasi nahihiyang tayo sa formula, di ba?
Yes.
So there's a lot of options. You can always buy a deeper shade of foundation, but there are also skin adjusters. Meron from EC na parang pang-pa-deepen talaga yung purpose niya, ganun. Pero you don't have to buy that specifically. Sometimes yung mga tao, di ba, like meron silang, oh no, this is too dark for me. Wag nyo pong itapon because it's gonna be part of your foundation wardrobe, di ba? Not necessarily something na hindi mo na siya magagamit forever. Pwede mo siyang i-mix into your regular foundation shades.
Ilang level darker?
Yan ay depende sa skill mo ng pag-blend ng
Okay.
foundation. So, kunyari, if normal person, I would say about 2 shades darker. And then you can keep mixing it with your regular shade. Yarn. Okay, moving on to the exciting part. Exciting part! Isa sa mga concern ni Gold is skin texture. And as I said kanina, okay na yung skin niya kasi flat na siya. Kumbaga parang wala nang mga nakaumbok, na acne, ganyan. So madali na lang. Actually, super dali na lang. So in your regular routine, what do you do?
Usually, ang ginagawa kong primer, sunscreen na.
So I see. What is your sunscreen?
Lux Organic. And then after that, nag-a-apply ako ng concealer sa mata.
Under eye.
Under eye. Tapos dun sa mga may red spot. Hindi na ako naglalagay actually ng foundation.
Oh.
Yun na lang. And then, nagko-contour ako. So after contour, translucent powder, and then setting spray. Feeling ko napapansin ko masyado akong dull or
One-dimensional.
one-dimensional.
That can be solved by foundation wardrobing as well. So at this point, ipa-primer lang natin si Gold para before tayo mag-foundation. What foundation do you usually
May primer ka na pala siya.
What foundation do you usually use?
Maybelline.
Maybelline Fit Me?
Oo.
Tapos nagpa-primer ka pa, o yun na yun, yung Lux Organics.
Meron akong ganito na primer pero hindi ko ginagamit.
Bakit? Ang ganda nito, guys.
Isa pa ang kalaban ko yung katamaran. Kasi parang gusto ko talaga pagkaligo ko, ready to go na ako. Parang minsan force lang ako to do makeup pag may mga event or talks.
So now we're just putting a thin layer of primer.
Makatulog ako dito.
And then you use your fingers, sponge, or
Pag
what?
primer, finger.
Finger. Tama.
Tapos kapag foundation, sponge.
Ganun na ganun din yung gagawin natin today.
Sige.
But first, we are gonna shade match. Okay, let's look at the mirror, please. And the camera. So we tried matching two products kay Gold. Here we have Enigma Foundation in Toasted Almond. This is a little dark on Gold. Medyo deeper siya. Ito yung pwede niyang gawin na pang shade match kapag galing siya ng bundok or nagtan ka talaga. And then ito namang Sienna. This for me is your regular shade because it matches your neck. Diba nakikita mo siyang ganyan. So, pag jumitem, pwede mo siyang i-mix. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna do a little bit of the Chuchu Beauty Skin Perfector. Tapos mix natin siya ng konting Enigma in TW25. So yung pag-mix, syempre depende na lang kung gaano katan naging. Sometimes 1 pump is enough, sometimes 2. Really depends on how tan you get. Tapos yung recommendation ko rin pala, pag nagpa-foundation kayo, super nipis lang talaga. Because you can always add more.
Nawawala na yung redness.
Divine. If talagang, kunyari, like may cases na super duper red, yun yung time na magko-corrector ka. Pero for me, the redness on your face, hindi naman siya
Need na
red na need na siya ng corrector. Ayan, fantasy na siya, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Sobrang
Oo nga.
bilis ng mga pangyayari. Very, very thin layer. And that's an advantage for you kasi yung skin mo, ano na siya, like flat na siya. Hindi na siya kailangang i-ano-ano, like not a lot of concealing. Like isang layer nga lang ginamit natin. Mabubudol ba kita dito? Mapapabili ka ba?
Ganda. Bili ako niyan.
So itong brush na to, super mura lang. Maganda na siya kasi manipis. So ayan, you can see, even with just a thin layer, nawala naman na yung redness ng face mo.
Yes.
Do you feel na red pa rin siya? Or
Hindi na. Kitang-kita yung difference. Dito tsaka dito.
ayun ang fantasy. Okay. Pero, of course, foundation is just like step 1, di ba? If you really want na parang, kunyari, gusto mo hindi naman plakado. Like, gusto mo talagang smoothening. Especially for people who deal with texture. Powder talaga ang solusyon.
Yes.
Ma-powder ka ba?
Yun yung last step na like kong ginagawa. Ma-powder.
You use,
Pero ginagawa ko yung pagkagawa.
Yeah.
Tatak-tak mo muna.
you use what kind of powder?
Yung Dr. Sensitive.
May color? Wala.
Wala. Yung translucent.
Yung translucent. Gets. Para rin nose mo na for next time. So, di ba, this is foundation lang. Of course, we have to set it. Para tumagal siya, para hindi siya mag-crease, ganyan, we have to set it. In the market right now, there's 3 kinds of powder that we can use. Usually, there's setting powder, there's powder foundation, and then there's finishing powder. So, yung Dr. Sensitive, it's a setting powder. Pang-set siya. Pero may, kumbaga like, it can smoothen, it can mattify your makeup. Pero if you really want smoothness, you can go for a finishing powder or a powder foundation pa on top of that. For example, ang setting powder natin today is from one size. This one, wala siya masyadong coverage. Ang purpose niya talaga is to set muna.
Okay.
Like, so before we do the smoothening, we have to set it first para hindi tacky yung base natin. And,
So ito muna bago mag-contour. Or kapag magko-contour ka, contour muna.
magpa-powder contour tayo later.
Okay.
Hindi tayo masyadong nag-cream products today because if you have little more texture on your skin, mas magandang powder yung pang-contour mo kasi it blurs. Lahat ng kind of powder, it blurs, smoothens texture.
Okay.
Yeah. Usually yung mga setting powder natin, loose sila kasi their goal is to set and make the makeup not tacky. So ito setting, and then we also have powder foundations like this one from Enigma. Ang purpose nito, coverage and smoothening. So yung smoothening, medyo mabigat to. Pag in-apply natin itong ganitong powder agad sa face mo na medyo hindi pa siya nakaset, ito yung time na magkikake siya. Because this is a powder foundation. Yes, smoothening. Yes, may coverage siya. Pero if it gets on yung mga part ng face mo na may lines, ganyan, kapag nag-in contact siya doon nang hindi pa nakaset yung foundation mo, yun yung time na magkikake siya. That's why it's better to use a setting powder na loose muna because you want the makeup there to be set, to be less tacky before we start the smoothening. So setting first before the smoothening. So now, we did the foundation, now we're gonna set. And then, pag set, there's also like few aspects to it that we can talk about. So first, yung brush natin, di ba sabi mo yung tak-tak? That's very true. But also, mas maganda kung like, yung pag-coat mo ng powder is very even on the brush. Na parang
Okay.
walang kumpol-kumpol na powder dun sa brush. Okay, so we're gonna start, usually pag nagsiset ka, saan ka nagsistart? Under eye?
Ay, dito sa pisngi, tapos tsaka
Gets.
yung excess nung dito ko nilalagay sa under.
Yes. So for me, mas gusto kong unahin yung mga moving parts. So that is the under eye area. Look up, please.
So nagpe-play safe pala ako dyan.
Ganon.
Kasi parang feeling ko magkikake kapag inuno ko yung under eye. Nice.
Tapos yung pag-set natin, super konting powder lang. Kasi hindi pa naman ito yung smoothening powder natin. This is just to set the makeup.
Okay.
Para pag-apply natin ng powder foundation later on, hindi siya magdidikit-dikit because there's already powder there. Nakaset na yung area. So also on the lines, here, and wherever you have texture.
Ito rin, takot ako maglagay dito.
Bakit?
Kasi nga, ano siya, parang feeling ko magkakaroon ng line.
Kailangan lang parang there's a nice even layer.
Parang pag ikaw gumagawa, parang ang natural, oh.
The more powder
Galing! Na-amaze! Ang galing galing mo!
The more powder that you put, the more chances of caking.
Kaya nga
So dapat, like, limited lang talaga. Tapos,
Okay.
una mong isa-set talaga yung parts na gumagalaw. Kasi yun yung madalas mag-cake. Naloloka ako sa definition ng cakiness ng mga bata ngayon. Feeling nila pag may konting texture, cakey na daw yun.
Oo.
It's part.
Part naman siya talaga.
Kasi may texture talaga, like may lines talaga. And yung makeup, di naman niya matatanggal yung texture. Masusmoothen out niya ng konti, pero kung may line talaga, hindi naman siya Botox.
Diba? Totoo.
Di ba siya Botox?
Makeup lang siya, hindi siya
Oo,
jokes.
makeup lang siya. So, now we have done the foundation and then the setting powder. Okay na yan. Like, ang ganda na niya, di ba? But if you want more, since your concern is skin texture, now we can go in with the pressed powders. Now we can go in with the heavier foundations. Dati, yung ginagamit ng mga makeup artists talaga is Studio Fix. Kasi yun talaga yung parang may coverage siya, may smoothening siya, medyo mabigat lang siya. Kaya we want the face to be set first before natin siya ilagay. Kasi pag nag-in contact siya dun sa basa,
Okay.
yun yung makakapag-cake. So now that it's set, we can go in with little amounts of powder. And if gusto mo ng parang brightening effect, you can pick a shade that's a bit lighter. A bit lighter than gold siya. So we can put it here. Konti lang din kasi mabigat nga yung mga powder foundation. Ayan Mi, sobrang smooth na talaga.
Sobrang malikit lang ako.
So yun, the purpose of the powder foundation is more smoothening and more coverage. As in, hindi na to natural. Like, kunyari, pag pang stage na siya. Ganon. Yung natural everyday ganap, okay na yung set, you can do a little of this, pero yung tipong talagang ilalagay mo siya ng more. It's for stage, it's for video shoot like this, and check lang natin yung before and after. Boosh, diba? Fantasy. What do you feel about it? Masyado bang complicated?
Kailangan lang ng tweak dun sa usual ko na ginagawa.
And the product?
And the product talaga. Hindi siya yung usual, yung expectation ko kasi pag naglagay ako ng makeup, parang feeling ko, nakatingin lahat sa akin kasi may makeup ako.
Oh.
And maybe kaya ganun yung naiisip ko is because mali yung shades ko, mali yung process ko. Kaya noticeable talaga yung makeup.
Ayaw mo bang manotice? Ayaw mo ba? Parang yun yung point. Boosh, de joke lang.
Yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, ano siya, very natural.
Mabigat?
Hindi
Hindi.
mabigat.
And with the amount of product that we use today, kamusta siya for you? Like, as a man in society?
Magaan siya sa pakiramdam. And then, hindi rin ako conscious na may makeup ako.
Talaga?
Usually kasi pag nagme-makeup ako, parang feeling ko, aware ako na may makeup ako. Pero with this one, ang nag-feel ko is parang wala akong makeup.
Extrang step lang. Wala naman na to sa ano natin, sa coverage. But we will do a little bit of contouring for you.
Okay.
So, ang ginagamit natin today is powder contour because yung face ni Gold, there's a lot of powder here now. So, kung mag-cream contour pa tayo, X na siya, di ba? So, dapat powder yung pang-contour natin. Also, with textured skin, powder products are more recommendable. So, we're gonna do a little bit of this contour. And then, just
Cream, contour, yung get ready with me yata yung gamit.
So that's another benefit of using powder products. Di ka na masyadong mahirapan mag-blend. Lalo na if nakaset naman na yung face mo ng setting powder and powder foundation. Diretso ka na sa contour powder. Since the makeup underneath is not tacky anymore, you have more freedom to do motion like this, na konting swipe, ganyan. Parang inantok si Gold, eh. Sa kakadot-dot ko ng face. Na-relax
Ang gaan
siya.
kasi nung kamay mo, eh.
Thank you so much. Okay, how do you feel about the finished look?
I'm happy. Satisfied client.
Satisfied? And that will be 5,000. Sorry. If you want me to do the other side, another 5,000. Sorry. Okay ka na?
Oo.
Kamusta? Anong reflections mo about this?
May mga more, wag matakot maglagay ng makeup.
Natatakot ka maglagay ng makeup before?
Especially nga dun sa mga dito, sa ganyan. So,
Oo.
feeling ko parang nilalagyan ko lang yung areas na comfortable ako.
Ah.
Pero dun sa mga areas na hindi ako comfortable lagyan, parang minimum to no makeup yung nilalagay ko. So ngayon, parang more courage to do it. Mas naging open ako to put makeup kasi wala naman talaga masama.
Of course, makeup is for everyone.
Yes.
And kung ano mang ikaka-confident mo, why not?
Totoo.
Di ba? Why not? Pero, fantasy ko rin na hindi ka natakot mag-makeup ngayon. And with that, gagawin mo yung kabilang side.
Sige, gawin natin.
We have sienna.
So ako rin magme-mix.
Yes. 3 parts. 3:1.
Ilan to?
3, tapos 1 yun.
Habang hinahawakan ko siya, parang very ako.
Natatakot ka?
Ah.
Bakit? Was there ever a time na parang na-feel mong, oh my God, ang dami ko maglagay ng
Siguro,
makeup?
baka gawa ng graduation ko. Bumalik nung graduation ng elementary. Kasi nung elementary ako, galing kami sa beach. Tapos the following day, graduation namin. So may sunburn ako, tapos nagpa-makeup ako. Tapos yung itsura ko, parang ako naaagnas na ashy. Tapos may mga feeling na nangyayari. So kaya ngayon, baka kaya siya nagre-reflect.
May trauma pala. Pero di nakaka-trauma naman talaga yun as a kid, syempre, na parang ang goal mo lang naman ay maganda ka sa graduation mo,
Oo.
di ba? Tapos na ganun ka pa.
So parang mas maganda na lang sana na hindi ako nung naglagay ng makeup.
So, ayan. Unahin mo na yung parts na parang bet mong takpan. Doon na yung pinakamaraming coverage. Natural. Walang ka-effort sa kanya.
Pero dati nagme-makeup ako eh. Nagme-makeup ako ng mga graduating student.
Talaga?
Kasi into arts talaga ako. Magaling ako mag-mix ng color.
Yun.
Pero naging racket ko siya nung college ako. 100 pesos lang.
100.
100 pesos.
Magpa-makeup?
Pero sila magdadala ng sarili nilang makeup.
skill
Totoo!
lang.
Skill lang! Totoo, ganun.
Siguro pinasoon mo lang yung traumang napunta sa'yo. Pinasoon mo lang sa kanila.
Naipasa yung trauma.
Natural. Walang ka-effort sa kanya. Parang feel ko wala tayong tips masyado dapat sa application pala.
So kahit di na ako mag-concealer. Okay,
Oo,
yun.
especially with these types of foundation, medyo full coverage talaga sila. Ewan ko ba bakit skin tint ang tawag nila dito, pero full coverage talaga siya. And then this one, medium to full coverage din. So yung concealer kasi, usually it's like there's more pigment and less carrier sa mga concealer. So mas likely silang mag-cake, ganun.
Ay, okay na ba?
Okay na, fantasy.
Yeah. Ikaw naman, naging kita. Naging reverse role pala to. Ayan kasi.
Parang yun nga yung next episode. Ayoko na, kaya ako naman make-upan nyo. So syempre, kayang-kaya mo na yung foundation. Yung parang gusto nating pagtuunan ng pansin ngayon is the powdery.
Yeah.
If you deal with texture, smoothening ang solusyon doon, and ang gagamitin mong tool para doon ay powder talaga. Like different kinds of powder, and yung pag-layer ng powder is very important. So,
Okay.
first step is always to use the setting powder, and then here. So, yung brush natin, if you notice, sobrang liit niya kasi we want to get into the lines.
So yung
yun.
natutunan ko sa'yo dito is kailangan even yung sa brush.
Yes. Yan. Para manipis lang talaga yung nasa brush. 150 ka na niyan.
Pwede na.
So yung ginagamit kasi ni Gold, the Dr. Sensitive na white, it's alright. Actually, it's a really good formula na fine. Kaya lang, if you are of a deeper skin tone, tas yun nga, parati ka pang nagbibilad, sometimes the white, even though it says translucent, it comes off pa rin as white pigment. At dahil dyan, bibili ka na ng yellow na powder.
Yes.
Okay.
Eto, ano to, Nat? Parang
It's the one size powder, guys, if you know about it. Okay, next is tayo ay mag-foundation, powder foundation. So this one naman, ito na talaga yung smoothening. Kung ibomba mo na siya dun sa part na gusto mong kuminis talaga.
ganito. Okay na to?
Ganun. Sa, yan. Actually, brush and powder foundation. Kung gusto mo pa talaga ng more kinis talaga, ito, like, ipapuff mo siya and then ganun. Pero, magkikik mo talaga yun. Like, pang drag queen levels of coverage na yun and smoothening. Which is really good for camera. Pero syempre, kiki na siya. Para tumagal yung foundation, kailangan maganda talaga yung skin prep. Si Gold kanina, pinag-saburi na natin siya para sure na hydrated. Maganda yung kapit ng makeup. Number 2 is product. So may mga product talagang mas long wearing, may mga product na hindi ganun ka long wearing. So make sure lang na yung product na ginagamit mo is long wearing on you. Last is of course you have to powder it, set it, and fix it. So we set it with the powders, and then fix natin siya with fixing spray later.
Ito na.
Oh, fantasy ka na. Kamusta?
Kumindat.
Anong
Pwede nang gawin yung ganito.
anong diff niya from like your usual?
Hindi siya time consuming. Eh di ba ako gusto ko nga pagkatapos ko maligo mag-yes.
Yun na.
Diretso
Oo.
ano na sa work or sa engagement. But hindi naman siya ganun ka time consuming. In fact, parang ano pa siya, can serve as my me time na parang enjoying silence habang nagme-makeup.
Parang ritual.
Putting more care to yourself.
Oo. Self-care talaga.
Yes.
Diba? Makeup is a form of self-care.
Ayun pa pala, meron pa pala
Yeah.
tayong content.
Last na to. Bonus lang na talaga nakakaganda siya. Because sometimes it's also parang mindset mo rin. No? Yung you have that time for yourself na papaganda ako. Kahit onti lang naman yung nilagay mo, it's mental na parang nagpaganda ako today.
Yes.
I took some time for myself. Last is contour. Kaya na niya yan. Kaya na niya yan!
Okay, go.
Pwede yung usual
Ni-mix to,
contour. Yes,
diba? Yun ang hindi ko alam yung ginamit. Pero usually dito kasi ako, parang ganun yung traditional.
Yes. Pero parang pag ganun yung brush.
Pag ganito.
Patayo.
Ito?
Pag ganyan. Yan. Parang hindi harsh na harsh.
Kasi yung ginawa mo kanina, nagpunta ka rin dito.
Yes. Parang itong buong side ng face na to. Lower. Yan.
Oh.
Kasi we don't want to
Makita.
we don't want
Dapat
to
dito.
minimize the joy. We want to maximize it. Kasi nga, lalaki. Unless gusto mo maging and just a little on the nose. Do you do nose contour?
Pero yung literal na lalagyan ko ng line,
Mm.
tapos i-blend ko na lang.
With the cream contour?
Oo.
So ngayon ka palang nag-powder contour.
Yes.
Do you think it's easier?
Easier. Kasi
Really?
Tapos more, ano pa siya, gentle sa skin. Kasi di ba pag cream contour, parang ganun, kailangan mo talagang idiin.
Tapos pati yung
I-blend.
pag-blend. Fantasy! Kamusta?
Ayos siya, sobrang saya. Super happy ako. Tama-tama, may pupuntahan kaming meeting after this. So, ROI itong ginawa natin.
Yes, and for it to last, kailangan natin mag-fixing spray. Do you have fixing spray?
Yes.
What do you use?
Hindi ko nga alam yung brand name. Basta yung color pink.
Dazzle Me.
Baka. Gift lang yun.
So yung ginagamit natin is mattifying. Pero honestly, sabi rin pala ni Gold kanina, oily siya. For me, hindi ka oily. Kasi baka lang naisip mo lang yun na oily ka. Or like, na-ingrain na yun sa'yo nung time na may acne ka, ganun. Pero now, your skin is normal. It's not oily. Dapat pala iba yung dala kong fixing spray. Pero nandito na tayo. So,
Sige. Very refreshing.
kamusta?
Feeling ko nagpaano ko. Parang yung pakiramdam ko parang katapos lang ng massage. Very pampered.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh my God, my pleasure. Okay, so Gold, now that we are done, sobrang fresh mo na. How was the whole experience for you?
Di ba initially kinakabahan ako?
Oo.
Pero parang dahil sobrang bait mo sa proseso and sobrang expert mo rin sa ginagawa mo, it made me feel safe and comfortable doing makeup. So yung experience for me is really, it's very simple. Sobrang simple lang yung nangyari versus dun sa in-overthink ko about makeup.
I see.
So thank you for making makeup simple and easy and accessible dun sa mga taong na-intimidate sa makeup.
My pleasure. Talagang, minsan kasi pag nanonood ng tutorial, medyo nakaka-overwhelm. So ngayon, very kalmado lang tayo. Base lang tayo today at I'm happy na na-enjoy mo yun. Na-enjoy din kitang turuan kasi una, natural pala. Ang bilis niyang mag-ganon, kaya-kaya niyang i-blend. Tapos, syempre happy na parang na-improve natin yung routine mo today. So if any of you guys out there also struggle with the same concerns as Gold, redness, acne, yung pala outdoor din kayo, also skin texture, yun lang, ang advice ko lang sa inyo, bumili kayo ng isang foundation for foundation wardrobing, darker, and then for skin texture, of course, nandyan ang powders natin. It's easy to say, no, na parang mag-powder ka, pero ngayon, nalaman natin sa session na to na parang may different types of powder, and then the order in which you apply them also matters. The amount, the order in which you apply them also matters. So, thank you for today, Gold. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Nate.
Again, this is Miss Nate's Help Desk, and if you have any skin or makeup concerns, palalagay nyo lang dyan sa baba. And I will see you in the next Help Desk episode. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!